How to log in into Minnesota sales tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today on this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to log in into Minnesota sales tax account. It is a quite easy and simple process, so let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser that is available on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now on the search bar, search for Minnesota sales tax login. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and links like this will be appeared on your screen. From these different websites and links, click on the first one that says e-service information. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Now here on this page, under the e-services information first point, here you will see to log in or sign up, go to the e-services login page. Click on that e-services login page option. Once you click on it, here you will be directed to this page where you need to enter your username and password in order to log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your password or your username, click on forgot username or password option below the login. Now simply enter all of your details and click on login option. With that, you are good to go. In this very simple and easy way, you can log in into your account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel.